Struggling with anatomy theory papers? Anatomy Viva Prep? Or just figuring out how to study anatomy? We've got your back. Unlock expert strategies for cracking anatomy theory papers, learn how to revise, structure answers, and stay calm on the theory exam day. Discover day-wise routines, weekly timetables, and revision methods to build long-term retention and confidence while studying anatomy. Prepare for all anatomy Viva sections, osteology, histology, radiology, and more with smart revision and behavior tips. Got 20 days only for university exams? Learn how to split your time between anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry and still conquer your anatomy exam. You've studied hard, now learn how to convert it into marks. Strategies for SAQs, LAQs, and maximizing scores in anatomy theory paper. From time management to post-exam mindset, watch the full series and master the art of learning anatomy.